Well, we decided to get rid of the timeshare when we stopped traveling and we moved to the area where the timeshare and the resort is. And the children had grown, so we had no more reasons to have it. And of course, we had the maintenance fees, the taxes, the assessments fees, and it was too much for us. We were on a tight budget, and definitely we decided that we needed to sell, but no one was buying. We also called the resorts. They didn't help us. The timeshare was like literally saying that we were stuck with it. And I tried to look for other ways to someone to help us with the situation, and there was the other companies weren't dealing with it. I wasn't getting that communication. They weren't calling me, so I just felt very lost. We both